slow, and so am I. A workday passes like molasses in the winter time, but it's July. Getting paid by the hour and over by the minute. Boss just pushed me over the limit. I like to call it something, but I think I'll just call it a day. 40 something tall and strong, make it a hurricane before I go insane. It's only 12:30, but I don't care. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Well, this lunch break is gonna take all afternoon and half the night. I'm on a morning and I know that there'll be hell to pay, but that's alright. Ain't had a day off now and over a year. My Jamaican vacation's gonna start right here. If the boat's for me, you can tell them I just sailed away. So 40 something tall and strong, make it a hurricane before I go insane. It's only 12:30, but I don't care. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. I could pay off my tab, pour myself in a cab, and be back to work before 2. At a moment like this, I can't help but wonder what Jimmy Buffett would do. 40 something tall and strong, make it a hurricane before I go insane. It's only 12:30, but I don't care. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Well, I could pay off my tab, pour myself in a cab, and be back to work before 2. At a moment like this, I can't help but wonder what Jimmy Buffett would do. So 40 something tall and strong, make it a hurricane before I go insane. It's only 12:30, but I don't care. It's 5 o'clock somewhere.